Okay, pros and cons of bulk stock. So a pro of bulk stock is depending on the item, you're gonna get reduced cost of goods, right? Not all the items, but some items you are gonna get reduced cost of goods, but not all of them, I'll say that. Big pro is that you are going to get faster shipping. You just are, like if you're on the ball with your bulk shipping, I'm actually opening a 3PL for the Etsy Kings guys right now. But you're gonna get more, you're just gonna get more like faster shipping. I don't know how to explain that. What do you mean? I don't know how to explain it. You're gonna get faster shipping. Across the board, faster shipping is gonna be better, right? You're gonna get, typically from our warehouse, we're shipping out same day for like 90% of orders, and 90% of orders before like 3 p.m. basically. Before the actual postman comes, the pickup comes, we have shipped our orders. So typically you're gonna ship, most items received are in like 3 days to UK, sometimes 1 day if we do priority shipping as well. So that's super, super good. The cons of bulk stockers, it's more risk, right? It's more risk. Like I've bought 1,000 pieces of one particular item. It's quite bulky, not super expensive, but it was like maybe £10,000, right? Not crazy amount of money, but well, no, it's a decent amount of money. And I thought it was going to take like a month to sell during Q4, but some stuff happened. The product didn't perform as well as I thought it was going to do. And that took it like a year and a half to sell, 18 months to sell. So yeah, like some things, there's cons to it as well. But if you're very cautious around it, or you have a smaller item, it's very easy because you have express shipping. So you don't have to buy months in advance. A lot of my items are bulkier, so I have to buy 3 months in advance.